Hey beauties, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, and if you're returning, welcome back. In today's video, I'm doing the Fulani braids with curly hair, but I'm doing the no crochet method because I can't crochet for days. Instead of crocheting, I'm going to use clip-ins, so that is way easier for me, so I'm going to do that instead. So I already parted my hair into 7 sections, and I used this picture as a reference, and I also braided the back of my hair in cornrows, but I think I did them too big. That is where I'm going to place the clip-ins, and for the front of my hair, that is where I'm going to braid it. And I use some old braids. I cannot tell you which hair it is because they're all old. I know everyone has this bag of old hair on top of their closet. Okay, don't shame me. So this is how I braid my hair. I start with my own hair, and as I go, I add the braiding hair, and this gives it a natural look. Also, don't forget to add edge control. This gives it a nice and neat look. I use the one by Kiss Colors and Care. If you would like the same one, it is linked in my bio. So I'm not braiding the hair till the end because I want it to blend in, and I'm also not putting on a rubber band. I'm just making a knot. So that is basically what I'm going to do for the rest of my hair, so keep on watching. So now I'm going in with the clip-ins. These are clip-ins from Curly Queen. These were gifted to me a while ago, and I love them so much. These are blowout clip-ins, and they fit perfectly on my hair. The only problem was that the clip-ins were in the color 2, and the braided hair at the front was in the color 1B, so they didn't blend very well. It wasn't noticeable on camera, but it did bother me a bit. So this is how the hair ended up looking with the braided hair and the clip-ins. Now I'm going in with the ORS mousse, and for the curls I'm going to use flexi rods on the clip-ins. So the hair ended up not being fully dry, even though I said under the hooded dryer for 30 minutes. I think I should have said an hour, but I don't know, I just kept going, and yeah. So this is how the hair ended up looking. I'm somewhat pleased with it. I do not like the wave. I wanted bigger curls. I think I'm going to fix that with my wand curler. I know you can see the line of demarcation there, but I fixed that. I put on another set of clip-ins and it wasn't noticeable after. So that was it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.